buy because they believe maybe in the near future there will be earnings growth, there will be growth in margins, there will be growth in revenue. That is what you need to understand. So if somebody invested in the stock right now, it means your plan is for the future, not now. Okay, so when that future price in and then you start investing, that is where you start losing money, right? Okay, now another question you need to ask yourself is, how do I know the stock market has bottomed? How do I know this is the bottom, or sorry, this is the accumulation phase for me to join? Now, the best time to invest is when the market is at accumulation phase or the beginning of markup phase. When you put your money during distribution phase, you're going to lose everything, or near the distribution phase, you're going to lose everything. So the best time to invest is when the market is at accumulation phase or the beginning of markup phase. Okay, so how do I spot this out? Let's go through some patterns. Let's go through some patterns for you to see, okay, whenever I see this pattern, it means something is changing. All right, okay, now we have different patterns. We have what we call, let's say, U pattern, like the one on your screen. Always people think that when the market bottom or top, you're going to see a rectangle pattern. No, it is not always that you're going to see that rectangle pattern. Yeah, the market during accumulation phase, you will see different patterns. So let me highlight on the common patterns, like a U-shaped pattern, like this pattern, for instance. You will see the market coming down and then sharply reverses, right? Okay, so at the market bottom, you're going to see something like this. We call this inverted or inverse U-shaped pattern. This is what we call V-shaped pattern. The market is coming down, down, and then before you realize, boom, it starts going up again at this point. So sometimes direct low and then the price starts rising or going up. Sometimes you're going to have a kind of zigzag to the downside and then the buying emerges. Sometimes you're going to have a deep decline, a bit higher down, and then also up again. So we have what we call the W pattern, something like this, right? Here, and then price break from the top there. So when price break from this point, this is where the beginning of what? Markup phase. It means one phase is over, the accumulation phase is over, and then we've started a new phase, right? Okay, so now I want us to go to the real market to see how these phases form in the market. Okay, so now I am looking at Tesla. I believe many new investors, or if you are new or experienced investor, you know about Tesla, if only you trade stocks. Okay, so now the white box here is accumulation phase, and then the market breaks from the white box, this accumulation phase, to this. So this is the beginning of what? Markup phase. So from here, when the very moment the market breaks from this phase, you need to join here. When you join this phase, definitely all this move, you're going to get them, right? You're going to get them. Okay, and now we have another phase here, what we call the distribution phase, right? Okay, so the distribution phase, market tends to come down, try to go up, come down again, try to go up, and then breaks from maybe the key level of the price, and then the new markdown phase begins. Okay, there is another accumulation phase over here. Price ranges or consolidated for a period of time, and then breaks, and then the new markup phase begin. Now let's let's look at another chart. This is Nvidia. Yeah, it was coming down over here, and then a new accumulation phase emerges. From the accumulation phase to expansion or markup phase over here. So the very moment the market comes out from accumulation phase, but you join in, you don't have to wait when the market, let me bring Tesla. You don't have to wait. Over here is where you will see what the hype from the traditional media or the new media. On social media, hey, they will tell you Tesla is skyrocketing, people are making money, and then you're going to be this thing, like you also going to start investing, whereby the game, probably the game is almost over. Yeah, you come in when the game is over, and then you buy somewhere here or somewhere here. Right after you got in, the market started coming down. Before you realize, boom, we are here. So just imagine you getting in here, and now price is trading here. You're going to lose a lot of this thing. Okay, now let's look at another market. This is Coinbase chart. Yeah, so here your accumulation phase, this your markup phase, this is a distribution phase, this is markdown phase, this is what your markup phase. So over here, when price break from a key level, you jump in, so that all these big moves, you get all these moves. And then when the market starts a distribution, also you have to be very alert, right? The very moment the market comes from the distribution phase, you also get in. So if probably you are in a short position, all this move, you're going to get them, right? And then the market bottom here on what? A V-shaped reversal pattern. A V-shaped reversal pattern. Those charts, this in the charters call it head and shoulder. Yeah. Now when the market breaks from the accumulation phase, which was formed on V-shaped pattern, or somewhere around here, you get in, and then all this move is you're going to cash out from all this big move. Yeah. And then there was another distribution phase somewhere around here, right? Okay, so as a retail trader, what you have to do is what? Understand economic cycle. After understanding economic cycle, you need to understand market cycle, right? If you understand market cycle, and then you know, okay, when you see this pattern, the one we just mentioned, either U-shape, V-shape, W-shape, double bottom, all of this reversal pattern, when price comes out from this pattern neckline, but you jump in, you don't have to wait till the financial media starts making noise on a certain instrument or a certain asset before you join. Let me tell you, most of the times, whatever you see on the TV or you watch from the TV, if you follow, you're going to end up in regression. You're going to end up regretting. That is the truth. Yeah. So as a new investor, what you have to do is at least learn the basics in investing. Yeah. For instance, market cycle. If you learn this, why not? It's going to help you a lot. It's going to help you a lot. Why? Okay. So let's end today's topic from here. Please, if you love to see more of my videos, kindly subscribe, follow our social media platform. Yeah, follow, subscribe, like our social media. You can comment, and also if you also have something to add, definitely you can also, the comment section is for you to add whatever that you want to add. Right, take care of yourself, and we're going to give you more. Thank you.